Welcome to this week's edition of Fingerprinting Gurus. I am Tommy Watkins, your instructor, here for a new and exciting topic. Before diving into this week's subject matter, I kindly request that you support our content by liking, sharing, and subscribing. Our content aims to assist you in advancing your entrepreneurial ventures, particularly in the ink card fingerprinting business and the mobile ink card fingerprinting industry. Without further ado, let us explore this week's topic, Fingerprinting Gurus, Mobile Ink Fingerprinting Tips. Mobile ink fingerprinting refers to the process of collecting fingerprint impressions using traditional ink and paper, but in a mobile or on-the-go setting. Here are some tips for conducting effective mobile ink fingerprinting. First off, you want to prepare your equipment. Ensure that you have all the necessary supplies, including fingerprinting cards, ink pads, and cleaning material. Carry multiple sets of equipment in case of any issues or if you need to process multiple individuals. Next, choose a suitable location. Select a well-lit and comfortable area for fingerprinting. Adequate lighting is crucial for capturing fingerprints. Consider privacy concerns and make sure the location is secure. Next, explain the process. Clearly explain the process for his fingerprinting to the person being fingerprinted. This can help ease any anxiety they may have and ensure their cooperation. Next, use proper technique. Train yourself in the correct fingerprinting technique to ensure accurate and clear impressions. Roll each finger from nail to nail, maintaining consistent pressure. Next, you want to have clean hands. Advise the individuals to wash and dry their hands thoroughly. Before the fingerprinting process, clean hands help attain better impressions. Next would be maintain hygiene. As the fingerprint involves close contact with individuals, maintain proper hygiene practices such as using disposable gloves and sanitizing hands. Next, ladies and gentlemen, have backup supplies. Bring extra fingerprint cards, ink pad, and cleaning supplies. Technical issues or mistakes may require additional material. Next will be record demographic information. Complete all necessary demographic information on the fingerprint card before starting the fingerprinting process. This ensures that the card are properly filled out. Check the quality. Regularly check the quality of the fingerprint impressions. If a print is smudged or unclear, redo it before moving on to the next fingerprint. Next, secure the prints. Allow the ink to dry completely before handling the fingerprint cards. Smudged prints can result in rejection by official authorities. Next, follow legal and ethical guidelines. Ensure that you are authorized and follow all legal and ethical guidelines for fingerprinting in your jurisdiction. Also, you want to secure data and documentation. Safeguard the collected fingerprint cards and any related documentation to maintain confidentiality and prevent unauthorized access. Next will be continuous training. Stay up to date on the latest fingerprinting techniques and best practices. Continuous training ensures that you maintain proficiency in your skill. Next, you want to verify identity. Before beginning the fingerprinting process, confirm the identity of the individual using the government-issued identification. Remember to adhere to all relevant laws and regulations governing fingerprinting procedures in your jurisdiction. If you have any specific legal or technical questions, it is advisable to consult with their local authorities or legal expert to ensure compliance. Like, share, comment, and subscribe to this content.